TikTok's custom ad audiences, how good are they with just 10,000 followers? Well, in this video, we're going to be breaking all of that down for you. So let's get right into it. What's up guys, it's Seb here from Wolfio, and if you remember in the last video we actually went ahead and created our own custom TikTok ad audience, all related back to our Wolfio.io TikTok account. So what it's actually doing is creating custom audiences based on the viewers and the followers of this account. Now, I think this video is going to make for a very interesting video because what we're going to be doing is actually analyzing all of the data that TikTok ads is retrieving from this account back to our actual analytics inside of TikTok account. So I think it's going to make for a great video. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing, what we went ahead and did, if you haven't watched the video, which you can link or watch up here, and also in the description down below, is we went ahead and created our own followers audience, which we can see right here. And then after the video, I said that I'm going to create all of the custom audiences that you can inside of TikTok ad audience, all related to our profile. And then we're going to have a little bit of a deep dive and actually see what the sizes are generated with each of these parameters. Okay, so the first thing we can notice is that we have all of these set to 7 days, which of course we can make another video and make it to 14 days or 30 days, but I thought 7 days would be a good start. And here we can see we've got TikTok profiles, we've got engagement, video views, 6-second video views, 2-second video views. All of these are 7 days. And then for the follower audience, we couldn't set a time frame for this. So I think it just takes all of the followers. So at the moment, what we can see is we've hidden the sizes, but we can see right now that for the profile visits, the engagement, and the video views 100%, they're currently unavailable. And that's because the audience sizes should be at least 1,000 or more. But what is interesting is the 6-second views, 2-second views, and then the followers are available, which is pretty cool. So these stats update, I think, every 4 to 6 hours. So here we can see it recently updated about 2 hours ago. So we can see that this data is all up to date. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first one we can see is the TikTok profile visits. And here we can see that the size for this is only 40. So if we head back to the TikTok analytics and we actually go ahead and check out the 7 days profile visits, we can see we had 155 profile visits. So what it's actually done is taken almost a third of those visits and it's added that to our TikTok account. So it's found 40 eligible people that it can actually link to our profile visits, which is pretty interesting. As far as the engagement goes, it is 142. So if you go to the TikTok analytics, I'm not too sure how it's calculated, but my assumptions are going to be that it's from the likes, the comments, and the shares. So in total, we have about 480-ish people that have engaged with our content in the last 7 days, and it's found 142. So almost half, a little bit less than half, sorry. So also pretty interesting. So if we actually change this to 30 days, I'm sure that we would have this available. Same thing for the profile visits. I'm sure it will become available with the 30 days, depending on how many people checked it out. Go ahead and check it out. 30 days, we can see that we have 1,000. Yeah, so it should reach about 1,000. For the profile visits, it hasn't quite hit that, but almost there. So hopefully the more we upload, the more profile visits we'll get, and that'll become eligible if we do it for 30 days. Now let's head back to the last 4. So video views at 100%, that's 453. Unfortunately, I don't believe there are any stats for video views at 100%, unless we actually dive into each video and see the view percentage on that. So we can go ahead and skip that one for now. It's not too important. But again, if we change that to 30 days, that would be available. Now for the interesting ones, 6 seconds and 2-second views, we can see we have 1,159 for the 6-second views. And then 2-second views is 1,750. So again, pretty good information. We can start using these audiences if we want to target our ads to our actual followers and our audiences that are watching our content. And then for the final one, the followers audience. So the interesting thing about the followers audience category is that it's a little over half of our followers. So 4,000 followers in this category. And here we have 9,000. So that means probably people who aren't actually inside this category, inside the ads, means that they're under 18 or they just don't meet the requirements to be tracked and added to our custom audience. But again, that doesn't matter too much, because when we add these audiences to a campaign, we can always refine this and make sure that they are qualified leads. So for example, when you go ahead and create your campaign, you can add all your keywords and information that you want to target, and then it's going to get all that information and take this data. And then what that's going to do from there is then qualify them and If we have like half of these which are qualified, then that's great. It means that we're targeting the right people with our TikTok, and then that's being retargeted with the ads, which is absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video and it was quite insightful. I quite enjoyed it. I just like to see all the numbers and all of that. But if you did enjoy it, smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see anything more about TikTok ads, then be sure to check out the playlist that we have down below, or you can go ahead and watch this video right here. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.